You've been working with Markdown files the wrong way this whole time. Did you know Markdown can be parsed directly into Notion pages, fully automated? Stick around to the end, and I'll show you how to use Python, connect it with AI models, and send Markdown straight into Notion. There are 3 ways to get Markdown data from an AI model into Notion: copy pasting, importing Markdown, and full automation with Python. Stick around till the end. I'll walk you through the code that makes it all happen. We will look at simple copy pasting of Markdown from ChatGPT to Notion page first. We ask ChatGPT a question, it answers. Then we copy that text and paste it in Notion base page. We do this all day long. We next save the text data from AI model into a Markdown file and then import it using Notion import feature. We are asking ChatGPT to provide a table comparing the programming languages. Next, copy the table data, open a text file, and paste the data. Save the file as Markdown for importing into Notion. We head to Settings inside our Notion workspace. Click on Import. It will open multiple import options. Select Text and Markdown. That will open a file selection dialog. Select the Markdown file we just saved. The file will be uploaded and a new page with the imported Markdown data will be created. We will now see how Python can be used for automating the data flow from AI model to Notion page using Notion Client and MD2 Notion page packages. We start the Markdown to Notion script and ask basic question in the command line. After a moment, we see a page created in Notion with reply to our question. We will explore further and ask the AI model to create the list of top 10 languages and see the same populated in the Notion page. Most people watch a video, think it looks easy, and skip actually testing the idea themselves. Let me walk you through the code and give you the exact pointers you need to get the automation working on your own. The Markdown to Notion script starts with the imports of Notion Client, Anthropic Client, and parse MD from MD2 Notion page module. Notion Client and Anthropic objects are created, and the chat loop is started. In chat loop, the user query is received and sent to Anthropic for text generation. The received response text is assigned to Markdown text variable here. The Notion client uses the given page ID and creates a page, and then page title is updated using the query received from the user. Then Markdown text that we got from the AI model is sent through parse MD function, which returns a series of blocks, which is written to Notion page using Notion client. If you visit the MD2 Notion page codebase and review the parse MD function, you will find that it splits the Markdown data, finds what type of Markdown it is, creates the Notion page object, and returns it Notion client, which sends it to Notion page. Where can we use Markdown to Notion? Integrating with Notion pages just got a lot more powerful. Why? Notion recently released Webhook support, so now anyone can deploy a secure server and trigger real-time updates from Notion pages through webhooks. When integrating with Webhook and AI model, we will parse the Markdown data to update it directly to Notion page. We will cover webhooks in another video. But for now, check out this one where I walk you through how the integration works today.